Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about prepositions of time focusing on the word at. At is used for very specific moments in time. It points to exact clock times and special occasions. This preposition helps us talk precisely about when things happen. We use at for three main categories of time. First, specific times on the clock like 5 o'clock or 3:30. Second, particular parts of the day like night or midnight. Third, festivals and special occasions like Christmas or Easter. Each category has clear rules and examples. The first use of at is with specific clock times. This means exact hours and minutes shown on a clock or watch. We say at 5 o'clock, at 3:30 p.m., at noon. At always comes before the exact time. This is different from other prepositions like in or on. Here are clear examples of at with clock times. The meeting starts at 5 o'clock. I finish work at 3:30 p.m. We eat lunch at noon. The party ends at midnight. Notice it comes right before the specific time in every sentence. The second use of at is with specific parts of the day. We use at night, at noon, at midnight, at dawn. These are fixed periods everyone understands. At shows exactly when during the day something happens. This usage is very common in daily English. Listen to these examples with parts of day. I don't sleep well at night. We meet at noon daily. The train leaves at midnight. Birds sing at dawn. At always goes before these special day periods. Practice saying these sentences aloud. The third use of at is with festivals and holidays. We say at Christmas, at Easter, at New Year, at Halloween. These are specific celebrations. At shows when during these special times events happen. This usage connects time with celebrations. Here are examples with festivals. We exchange gifts at Christmas. The family gathers at Easter. Fireworks light the sky at New Year. Children dress up at Halloween. Notice the pattern, at plus the holiday name. This is standard English usage. Now practice common examples mixing all categories. I will see you at 7:00. The party starts at 10:30. We have dinner at 8 o'clock. She left at midnight. Repeat these sentences to remember when to use at for time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.